was a bright, sunny afternoon when Sarah and her younger brother Amir were walking home together from the park. The air was filled with laughter and the gentle rustle of leaves, making it a perfect day for siblings to enjoy each other's company. As they strolled along the familiar path, they chatted about their favorite games and the ice cream they hoped to buy someday. The park was peaceful, and everything seemed just right, setting the stage for an unexpected discovery that would soon test their value. They neared a wooden bench. Amir's eyes caught a glint of something unusual on the ground. He stopped abruptly, curiosity piqued, and pointed excitedly. Sarah followed his gaze and noticed a shiny blue wallet lying just beside the bench. The siblings exchanged surprised looks, realizing that someone must have dropped it. The wallet looked new and important, and the moment felt both exciting and serious. This small discovery was about to become a big decision for them. Sarah bent down and picked up the wallet, her fingers trembling slightly with anticipation. She opened it carefully and gasped. Inside was a stack of money. Amir's eyes widened with excitement, and he immediately thought of all the things they could buy, especially the big ice cream they had been dreaming about. The temptation was real, and for a moment the idea of keeping the wallet seemed harmless, but deep down, Sarah felt a sense of responsibility stirring within her. Amir, unable to contain his excitement, suggested they keep the wallet since no one was around. He imagined the joy of finally getting that big ice cream. However, Sarah hesitated. She remembered the lessons their mother had taught them about honesty and doing the right thing, even when no one else was watching. The siblings stood quietly, the weight of the decision pressing on them. It was a true test of their values and upbringing. Sarah paused, her mind racing. She recalled her mother's words, Allah is Al-Basir, the all-seeing. Even if no one else could see them, Allah was always watching. This thought gave her strength. She gently reminded Amir that honesty matters, not just when people are looking, but especially when they are not. Her words were filled with conviction, and Amir began to understand the importance of being truthful, regardless of the situation. Hearing Sarah's gentle reminder, Amir's excitement faded. He looked down, feeling a mix of disappointment and understanding. He realized that keeping the wallet would not be right, especially knowing that Allah sees everything. The idea of doing something wrong, even when no one else would know, made him feel uneasy. Amir's respect for his sister grew as he saw her commitment to honesty and faith. Sarah smiled reassuringly at Amir and suggested they find someone who could help return the wallet. Together, they looked around and spotted a shopkeeper nearby. The decision was made. They would do the right thing. Their steps felt lighter as they walked toward the shop, knowing they were about to make an honest choice. The sense of doing what was right began to outweigh the temptation they had felt moments before. Sarah and Amir approached the shopkeeper, who was arranging items outside his small store. They explained what had happened and handed him the wallet. The shopkeeper listened carefully, impressed by their honesty. He promised to keep the wallet safe and tried to find its owner. The siblings felt a sense of relief and pride, knowing they had made the right decision. Few minutes later, an elderly man hurried back to the park, his face filled with worry. He approached the shopkeeper, asking if anyone had seen his lost wallet. When the shopkeeper handed it back, the old man's eyes filled with tears of gratitude. He turned to Sarah and Amir, thanking them sincerely for their honesty. The siblings realized how much their choice meant to someone else. Amir's face lit up with a big smile. He felt a warm happiness inside, much greater than the excitement of buying ice cream. Sarah shared his joy, knowing they had done the right thing. The feeling of honesty and kindness was its own reward, and both siblings felt closer to each other and to the values their family cherished. As they walked home, Sarah and Amir talked about what had happened. They realized that honesty isn't always easy, especially when no one is watching. But choosing to do the right thing brings a special kind of happiness and peace. Their conversation was filled with laughter and a sense of accomplishment, knowing they had made a difference in someone's day. Sarah reminded Amir that Allah loves those who are honest. She explained that returning the wallet was not just about following rules, but about pleasing Allah and being true to themselves. Amir nodded, feeling proud of their choice. Their faith and understanding grew stronger, and they promised each other to always remember this lesson. The story of Sarah and Amir teaches us about taqwa, or God consciousness. It means being aware that Allah sees everything we do, whether in public or private. This awareness helps us make honest choices, even when it's difficult. Taqwa guides us to act with integrity, knowing that our actions matter, both to ourselves and to Allah. Another important lesson from their story is the value of honesty. Returning lost items to their owner is a sign of good character and trustworthiness. Honesty builds strong relationships and earns respect from others. It's a quality that makes our communities better and our hearts more peaceful. Sarah and Amir's choice shows how honesty can change lives. As the sun set, Sarah and Amir reached home, their hearts full of joy and pride. The day's events became a lasting memory, reminding them that doing the right thing is always worth it. Their story inspires us all to choose honesty, even when it's hard, and to remember that Allah sees every action. The honest choice is always the best choice.